Mega shout out, welcome the Pure Stone Heart, and once again, we will do the unboxing for today's video. I just received this from Amazon. My goodness, Amazon, beka naman. So, story time. September 9, we had an event for our school. So, everyone we glam each other. So, and here's one of my colleague introduces me this one, which I'm so excited to show to you. And when I apply this one, this is part of the cosmetics makeup. So when I apply this one in my face during that event, my students are saying that how or what I did or how I make my face look very nice in that very evening. So now I was convinced to order, and just 2 days ago I placed an order, and let's see, I'm so excited to unbox this one, guys. And this one is what, not too expensive. Okay, so let's open. Yeah, so I'm so excited, guys. So, oh my God, here. So, explore our extensive. This is part of the promotional, I believe. New customer get 20%. New hashtag repeat customers, weekly deals, and etc. So explore. So they have a lot of things. And now this is the one thing that, guys, that is being I purchased. So this is Catrice, the hydrator Plum Fresh and Primer with aloe vera base. Ayan. That was the first time that I did something put in my makeup in an event, because I never ever since I did not use, but I love the effect because of the comments of my friends and students. So this is the one I purchased. Yeah. This is the primer that you have to put in your face first. Okay. Next is, this one is the, what do you call this one? Bonjour Health and Mix Anti-Fatigue Foundation. 54 beige. Yeah, in the shades of 54. And Bonjour, Bourgeois, how to pronounce that one, I don't know. And this is, yeah, Healthy Mix. Yeah, this is a liquid foundation. Okay. Okay, this is the one. And next is, since I ordered this one and it includes like free shipping if you are more than 100, so I ordered another one to have a free delivery. And so I ordered this Garnier Skin Natural, and this is Bright Complete 30 times Vitamin C Booster Serum, fades dark spots in 3 days. Let's see if really this one is effective. And Garnier Bright Complex, all skin type, 30 ml. So I will check this one. I will check if this is effective for my skin, because it shows here that 30 times Vitamin C Booster Serum fades dark spots. Okay, I will check. Yeah, this is the one, serum. I don't know how to use this one, but I hear there is an instruction. So, spread evenly in a perfect cleansed face and neck. Use every day with night before your regular moisturizer. So, before moisturizer, ito ang gagamitin. So, I just tried because I wanting to check this one if this dark spot is fine. So, let's try putting on this foundation and what will happen. Okay? Thank you so much for watching my videos and for the unboxing. Okay guys, so let's try this one. Let's try what I order and check if this is really the same that what I used to use that very night. So as per here guys, that we have to apply all over our face the primer. Yeah, the primer. So and leave it in until it will dry, like how many seconds or minutes. Okay, so how to open this one? Let me check. Okay. So it will open, and I don't know how to use this one actually, guys. Okay, let's put it this way. So this is the primer. Put all over your face. Okay, and wait until it will settle, it'll dry. Okay, it's dry, so I will try this one. If this is if this is the one that I use. I will check. I don't know if I am doing it right, because I don't know how to do the makeup actually. So that means it says so that is a liquid foundation. So that's it. And it seems it's okay now, guys. Thank you so much. This is Pure Stone Heart. Please do like and share my video. God bless everyone.